When I joined as an intern, I met my manager who was newly promoted, and someday I thought that I'll be in his shoes, and here I am.
From 2,800 in the entire firm to 1,500 newly promoted managers. Wow, congratulations.
Yes.
You never know what the opportunity presents. I think the main thing is that wherever I have succeeded and wherever I have failed, because I think failures teach you much more than success can ever teach. I think it's really the hard work and just focus, not so much looking at what the next step will be, but just focus and trying to do the right thing.
It was inspiring to see how one starts the career and the endless possibilities one can achieve through dedication and integrity.
It's been an absolutely fantastic experience to be part of the new manager program. I'm a returning facilitator and this is my third year of being part of this program. I have been mentored as I have grown in this organization from a consultant to a partner, and I think it's payback time for me. This program is aimed at the right skill set and the right mindset for our future leaders. Go for it, guys.
It's very heartening to see the curiosity that the new managers brought to deliver exceptional client service, building and leading teams, and focus on their well-being.
Stepping into the roles of manager made me a bit nervous, but today, having this experience with EY, I can say that the practical experiences of the facilitators, the partners, people involved in this program has made me say that yes, they were also in the same boat.
As they say, Rome was not built in a day. It was not only by one man. Hence, EY and the NMP program inspires me to work as a collective and also be a part of the growth of the nation.